Fear free English Club. Ooh, ooh.
Welcome to Fear-Free English Club. This is the podcast for English learners who understand a lot, but freeze when it's time to speak. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Ben, your official brain buffering representative. Okay, I need to tell you something painful. It happened in a coffee shop. And yes, Rachel, it was about a very simple question.
I already feel nervous for you.
So I walk in, I order coffee. Everything is fine. The barista smiles and says, "How's your day going?"
A normal question.
The most normal question in the world. And my brain says, "Okay, translate." So I start translating every word. How's means how is your day, okay. Going, that means progressing or feeling. And then my brain switches to my language. How would I answer this at home?
Meanwhile, the barista's waiting.
Smiling, but like confused smiling.
And what did you finally say?
I said, yes, just yes, because I panicked.
That moment right there, that's the freeze.
It's like your brain is building a perfect sentence, but your mouth is closed.
And your heart is beating faster.
Yes. And then you feel stupid, even though you're not stupid.
Exactly. If you're listening and thinking, that's me, we see you. This is the #1 pain point for English learners.
The mental block.
The translation delay. The 3-second silence that feels like 3 minutes.
And the worst part? It was such an easy question.
That's what hurts most, right? Simple questions are often the hardest when you translate.
Why does my brain do that?
We're going to explain it, and more importantly, we're going to train it differently. First, let's lower the pressure. Translating is normal in the beginning.
So I'm not broken.
Not at all. Your brain learned your first language deeply. It built strong neural pathways.
Neural pathways?
That just means mental roads. Your brain has fast highways in your first language. English, for many of you, is still a small side road.
So when English comes, my brain takes a detour?
Exactly. It goes back to the highway first, then it returns to English.
That explains the delay.
Yes. And delay creates panic. Panic creates more delay.
That cycle feels awful.
Here's the good news. You can build new highways. You can train your brain to respond directly in English.
Without translating first.
Without translating first.
That sounds impossible.
It's not impossible. It just requires practice in a different way. And remember this sentence: communication beats perfection.
I need that tattooed somewhere.
It means your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is connection. If people understand you, you win.
Even if it's not elegant?
Even if it's simple, simple is powerful. Let's give you immediate tools. Line 1, time buyer line. Let me think for a second.
That buys time without silence.
Exactly. Silence feels scary. Words feel safe. Line 2, rescue line. Wait, that didn't come out right.
That's so natural.
And line 3, natural reply line. It's been pretty good, actually.
That works in so many situations.
Yes, keep it simple. If this episode helps you feel calmer when speaking, follow the podcast so you don't miss the next one. We're building confidence, not just vocabulary. Let's look at how translation actually slows you down.
Painfully.
Imagine someone asks, "What did you do this weekend?"
My brain immediately starts translating.
Let's slow that down. Listen carefully. What did you do this weekend? 3 chunks. You do not need to translate each word. You only need one idea.
One idea.
For example, I stayed home. I visited my friend. I worked.
But that feels too short.
Short is fast. Fast builds confidence. Confidence reduces freezing.
That makes sense.
Say it with rhythm.
I stayed home.
Relax. Again.
I stayed home.
Good. Notice you didn't translate.
I didn't.
New situation. You're at the gym. Someone says, "Are you using this machine?"
Oh no, fast question.
Go.
Let me think for a second. Yes, no, I finished.
Small correction. I just finished.
I just finished.
Or simply, no, I'm done.
No, I'm done.
What does "I'm done" mean?
What does that mean?
It means you completed the activity. Example, I'm done with my homework. It's finished.
That's much easier than building a long sentence.
Exactly. Translation makes you search for perfect grammar. Thinking in English allows simple answers. Another situation. A colleague says, "Did you catch the meeting this morning?"
Catch? Like catch a ball?
Good question.
What does catch the meeting mean?
It means attend the meeting or be present. Example, I couldn't catch the meeting. I was busy.
Oh.
Now respond.
Let me think. Yes, I was there. It was, interesting, but long.
That works. Or you could say, yeah, I was there. It was kind of long.
What does kind of mean again?
It softens your opinion. Not extremely long, just a little long.
I like that. It sounds more natural.
Exactly. Natural English uses small, soft words like, kind of, so.
So basically, I don't need perfect structure.
Right. Communication beats perfection.
I'm starting to believe it.
Here's something important. I used to translate when I learned French.
Really?
Yes, I would prepare perfect sentences in my head, and then someone would interrupt me, and I would freeze.
So even teachers freeze?
Of course. It's human. The shift happened when I stopped trying to be impressive and started trying to be clear.
Clear over clever. Exactly.
It's time for our fear-free rescue line of the day.
My favorite part.
Today's main rescue line is, "Sorry, I'm still thinking in English."
That feels honest.
It removes pressure from you, and it explains the pause. 2 alternates. Give me a second, and let me try that again.
That one feels confident.
Yes, it shows control. Repeat slowly. Sorry, I'm still thinking in English.
Sorry, I'm still thinking in English.
Again. Let me try that again.
Let me try that again.
One more. Give me a second.
Give me a second.
These lines stop the panic. They keep the conversation alive, and that's what matters. Communication beats perfection.
Okay, I'm ready for part 2.
In part 2, we train your brain with the powerful Narrate Your Life technique. This is how you build new mental highways. Okay, this is where everything changes. This is where we stop talking about the problem and start training your brain.
I'm slightly nervous.
That's normal. Growth feels uncomfortable at first. The technique is called Narrate Your Life.
Still sounds dramatic.
It's actually simple. You describe your actions in English, in real time, when you are alone.
So I just walk around my house talking?
Yes, quietly, calmly. You narrate small, boring actions.
Boring?
Boring is perfect because boring actions use basic vocabulary.
Like what?
Brushing your teeth, making breakfast, opening your laptop, washing dishes, walking to the bus stop.
And I say everything in English?
Yes, short sentences, no translating, just direct thinking.
What if I don't know a word?
Great question. You do not stop. You describe it differently.
Like if I don't know kettle?
You can say the machine for hot water.
Oh,
Communication beats perfection.
there it is again.
Always. Let's do a full morning routine. Narrate everything. Don't worry about mistakes.
Okay, here we go. I wake up. I wake up at 7. I'm feeling very tired.
Good self-correction. Keep going.
I go to the bathroom. I brush my tooth.
Small correction. I brush my teeth.
Right. Teeth, plural. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and I think, wow, I look tired.
That's natural.
Then how do you say, go to kitchen?
Add the. Go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen. I'm making breakfast.
That works.
I'm cutting bread. I'm putting cheese on the bread. I'm drinking coffee.
Notice something?
I paused less.
Exactly. Your brain stayed in English longer.
I did hesitate at kitchen.
And you recovered. That's progress.
Wait, that didn't sound right.
Good. Use the rescue line.
Let me try that again. That's progress.
Excellent. Now do it again. Faster, but calm.
I wake up at 7. I'm still kind of tired. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I'm making toast. I'm checking my phone. I'm getting ready for work.
That was smooth.
That felt different.
Because you didn't translate. You just described reality.
My brain didn't panic.
Exactly. You stayed in English. New scenario. You're at the supermarket.
Oh no, public English.
Narrate in your head.
Okay. I'm taking a cart. I'm walking to the vegetables section.
Vegetable section. Good correction.
I'm looking for tomatoes. I'm choosing the best ones. These look fresh.
That's very natural.
I need milk. I'm going to dairy place.
Small fix. The dairy section.
Dairy section. I always forget that word.
That's okay. You said something close. That's enough.
Then I'm waiting in line. I'm paying. The cashier says, "Do you need a bag?"
Respond.
Let me think for a second. No, thank you. I have one.
Perfect.
That felt normal.
Again. Faster.
I grab a cart. I head to the vegetable section. I pick some tomatoes. I'm looking for milk. I go to the dairy section. I'm waiting in line. I'm paying. No thanks, I have a bag.
That's real English.
And it's simple.
Simple builds speed. Speed builds confidence.
And confidence reduces freezing.
Exactly. Let's talk culture for a moment. In English-speaking countries, people often speak while thinking.
That sounds dangerous.
It just means they don't wait for perfect sentences. They use fillers.
Like
Yes. Also, so, well, kind of.
So if someone asks me a question,
You can start with, well, I think that buys time.
it's like a soft landing.
Exactly. Silence can feel awkward in some cultures. Fillers keep the rhythm alive.
So I don't need to panic during small pauses.
No, you just keep the conversation moving. Rapid review. Repeat after us. Let me think for a second.
Let me think for a second.
Let me try that again.
Let me try that again.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
I'm heading to the bus stop.
I'm heading to the bus stop.
I'm kind of tired.
I'm kind of tired.
Sorry, I'm still thinking in English.
Sorry, I'm still thinking in English.
Pronunciation tip. Don't say thinking in English. Smooth it out. Thinking in English.
Thinking in English.
More connected, more natural. Here's your fear-free challenge. For the next 7 days, narrate your life for 5 minutes a day. Pick one routine. Speak only English.
Even if it's messy?
Especially if it's messy. Then come to the comments and write 3 sentences you used. We'll help you improve them.
That's brave.
And one super easy question. Do you translate in your head? Yes or no?
Be honest.
If this episode helped you feel less stuck, follow the podcast. Like it, share it with someone who freezes in English.
We all know someone like that.
Remember, communication beats perfection.
I'm actually starting to believe it.
You're doing something hard. Learning a language takes courage. Try speaking today. Even one sentence. Don't wait until you feel ready.
Because you'll probably never feel fully ready.
And that's okay. Speak anyway.
See you next time.
Keep going, keep practicing, and don't fear mistakes.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.